Can I start over? Is it too late to enter the world of technology? At MTX, we believe the answer is simple. Yes, you can. For many women, stepping into tech or coming back after a career break feels overwhelming. But what if you had a partner on this journey? A place to learn, grow, and restart without barriers. Introducing MTX Women Tech Training Program, a 7-week, no-cost learning experience designed to bring women into the world of technology. Dive into Salesforce technical and business essentials to kickstart or revitalize your career. This program offers hands-on training, mentorship from industry experts, and real-world projects to prepare you for a successful career in tech. Join us and take the first step towards a rewarding career in technology. Apply now for the MTX Women Tech Training Program.